Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can reduce background noise audio in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's almost really simple. So what you want to do is to have a clip here.
There is no way we can kill that guy.
And now just click on it, go to Window, and then you will have here Essential Sound. Click on that, and when you click on it you will see 4 buttons here, and you get the dialog. Click on the dialog and you'll have here repair, reduce noise. Click that and go to 100 to 10. Right now it's reduced a lot, so we need to
one friendly operator remaining.
Play with it, but as you can see you don't hear
He's going to kill me so fast. Look at this.
Any background at all. So this is how you can literally easily get rid of the background noise. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. I'm really thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody. Goodbye, peace, and have a good life.